I think for Pioneer, as I know all the seed companies and the varieties actually very well, I think if you're going to be a role player in the drier west with your varieties, you're definitely gonna make some ends meet in terms of growing your market share. Then basically just back to partnerships and let the farmer know that you are in partnership with him. He's not alone in his business. He's got proper partners like the Pioneers of the world that backs him.